Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact payment source, open your bank app or PayPal, and confirm card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address match Roblox. Once done, make sure the card has sufficient funds and that 3D Secure or an OTP wasn't blocked by your bank. Also check Roblox account settings and transaction history to see whether a pending charge or failure message appears. This tells you whether Roblox accepted a token or the processor declined the charge. Next, remove and re-add the payment method inside Roblox to refresh the token. This resets authorization and often resolves mismatched billing fields. Then attempt a small test purchase or switch methods. Try PayPal if a card failed or vice versa, because different processors handle authorizations differently. Make sure to clear the app cache or use an incognito browser window to avoid stale sessions. This prevents old errors from blocking the new attempt and ensures the platform Finally, if retries fail, call your bank to confirm and release any held authorizations. Banks sometimes block unusual online charges. If the bank confirms no block, gather your screenshots, transaction ID, and the date/time, and contact Roblox support explaining the unpaid charge. Provide evidence. Make sure to wait 24 to 72 hours for any pending authorization to clear before attempting the same charge again. If problems persist, escalate with both bank and Roblox and request manual void or refund processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.